time now. Oh, there you go. Valiente from the outside, Balinganda. Hidalgo on the further outside is Jupiter Thunder. Dagger look in the middle. And here comes Primavera down on the inside is Terry Toon. And on the outside, blowing hot number 9, Executive Order Nizen EC. Risk taker from the outside, Jenny Cole. Devil Rising while Friendly Fire is running in 14th. Balinganda is still the leader. Hidalgo, Jupiter Thunder is racing on the outside together with Dagger Look. Valiente down on the inside, Territon Primavera as they race the final corner. Four runners fighting it out for the lead. Balinganda is still the leader. Dagger Look, Jupiter Thunder, Valiente, and nearing the finish line, Balinganda. And on the outside is Jupiter Thunder. Dagger Look blowing hot Hidalgo, and nearing the finish line, number 8, Balinganda blowing hot. Dagger Look close, Territon, Jupiter Thunder, and Primavera for your Super